gorgeous, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Life and Lace series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install, style, and blend your lace wigs like a pro without using glue. This method is perfect if you want something quick, beginner friendly, and most importantly, healthier for your edges. By the end of this video, your wig will look natural, seamless, and ready to wear. First step is prepping your natural hair. This is one of the most important parts of the process because the flatter your natural hair is, the more natural your wig will look. I like to make sure my hair is moisturized and protected before putting on any wig. You can braid your hair down, put it in a low pony, or even do flat twists. The goal is to keep your hair flat while protecting it underneath your wig. Once your hair is prepped, the next step is applying your wig cap. I like to use an HD wig cap because it blends really well with your skin. It helps create that scalp-like appearance under your wig. After placing the wig cap on, I like to go in with a little bit of concealer or foundation to match my skin tone. This small step makes a huge difference when it comes to making the wig look so natural. Now it's time for the install. One of the things I love about glueless wigs is how easy and convenient they are. You don't need any glue or any heavy adhesive products. You just install, adjust the straps in the back, and if you want a little extra hold, you can add a hairspray along the hairline, but that's completely optional. Okay, once the wig is secured, I like to adjust it and make sure that everything is sitting properly. I comb through the hair and check that the part is where I want it to be. Next, we're moving into styling. For this look, I'm adding some curls using a curling iron. Before using any hot tools, I always recommend applying a heat protectant to protect the hair. I like to take medium sections of the hair and wrap them around the curling iron, holding it just for a few seconds before releasing the curl. When curling my hair, the front two pieces I curl towards the part. The first sections on my sides and the back I curl over, and the rest of the sections I usually curl away from my face because it creates a soft, flattering look and gives the hair more movement. I repeat this process throughout the entire wig until all my hair is curled. After that, I let the curls cool down before gently running my fingers through them. This helps create soft and bouncy curls instead of tight ringlets.
Goddamn, it's too early for this shit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Jazzy Fizzle production. Missy, the princess is here.
This beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, modern poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you 1, 2, step. Everybody get on the floor, bring the body up. We about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. This beat is outrageous, so contagious, make you.
Make sure you're counting how many curls you have because you'll have to do the same on the other side. Complete the same exact steps. Don't forget to spray your curls with Kenra hairspray. I would like to do a separate video on my favorite wig tools and products, so if that sounds like a good idea, let me know something. Now that the hair is styled, it's typically time to cut the lace. I did cut the lace already in a separate video on my TikTok, so if you want to see that, head over to TikTok. The link will be in my bio, and if you're enjoying this tutorial and want more, comment below and let me know something.
Mr. DJ, and we will
at this point your wig should look naturally blended and fully styled. The curls added movement and body, and the lace should look seamless against your skin. The best part of this method is that you get a beautiful install without putting stress on your edges from glue or tape. To maintain your glueless wigs, make sure you're storing it properly when you're not wearing it. You can place it on a mannequin head or inside a satin bag to keep the hair from tangling. Pin your curls and lightly brush the curls. Using minimal heat will also help extend the life of your wigs. Okay, that's it for Life and Lace Part 1. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips on installing, styling, and maintaining your wigs, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other wig tutorials you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.
So contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made so retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, struck my stuff and yes I